So now I have powered the proto, and from the same 12-volt source I have powered, you can see the cables at the bottom. I have powered this remote with 12 volts and they are operational, and the proto as well is operational and ready to work. For the demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using digit 1 and digit 2. So test digit 1, and it is responding as designed. Digit 2, it is responding as designed. And as you can see, all the dip switch are in the off, down, are in the on position. So on the app itself, I'm going to go to security, and on the security I'm going to register the 315 megahertz device. So press on device, and it's giving me up here a 315 megahertz option. So on the 315 megahertz, my list is empty. We're going to attempt first to record the prototype that we have designed. So press add and press others, because it's a device made by us. It does not belong in the list. So on the others, I have learn signal. Now my RF 315 megahertz device, the thinker, is ready to learn whatever 315 signals come from here, and you're going to see it again in the red light. So I'm going to press learn signal here, and as you can see, the device is waiting for the signal. I'm going to press digit 1. Here we are, digit 1, and we have successfully recorded digit 1. So now basically I'm going to activate the digit 1 by pressing it on, and whenever the thinker hears this signal, it is going to trigger whatever devices I want to be. In this case, I'm going to link it later to the volume down or volume up. Now when I attempt to learn another signal and press digit 2 in this case, you're going to find that the device is telling me this already exists. So now we're trying to learn a different signal. As you can see, the device already exists. I'm going to try it again now with digit 3. Device already exists. If I try to learn signal with button up, for example, device already exists. So basically it is hearing the same signal over and over again, no matter which button I do press. Yeah, here, I'm going to try again. Here is digit down. The device already exists. So this is not really capturing a different device. However, and you can see that the distance has to be very, very close. It cannot be more than 10 centimeters, otherwise it won't work. Now, if I want to learn from this device, even without an antenna, you can see that this distance is longer, and it will learn 2 different signals. So now we are learning from the handy remote, and it successfully learned 2. I'm going to also make it further, learn another one, others, learn signal, the lower button this time, and it has successfully learned that. So our handy remote is basically triggering the same signal here, and this is giving me, this whole device is giving me one button only. If I change the dip switch, you're going to find that it is not successful in learning any of the signals. I'm going to activate those 2 signals as well. And now we are trying to learn from this stripped down handy remote. With the same process, I'm going to press add, others, learn signal, and as you can see, I'm going to use the upper button, and it's very easily learning signal 4. I'll activate that, And if I want to add another button, I press learn signal, and it's very easily learning those signals. And I can activate it to be used in triggering. So basically this is where the test hasn't succeeded completely. We are able to learn one signal, but no matter how much I try, it is only receiving that same signal over and over again as long as the dip switch is in the on position. Other positions are not producing any learnable signals.